Hi all, in this session we will see how we can use Selenium scripts to launch the browser in the mobile emulated view. Means in the mobile device we would have viewed or opened the browser and it has its own view size. So if you want to see our applications, how it looks like in the browser that is available in the mobile device, then we have two options. One is we can open the URL in the device, or we can use the developer tools in the Chrome, and here we have the device toolbar. Okay, so if you click here, so it will show you the device details. So if you can just clicking here, okay, and in the top you can see the list of devices. Here it is displaying. Some are mobile devices and some are tablets. Let's say for example I am selecting this Samsung Galaxy S8, then it will display the screen according to the mobile's Windows height and width. Whatever the height and width of the Samsung S8 screen we have, the exact width and height will be set here, and also the user agent for that device, so that will be also set. Okay, so this way we can emulate the devices, mobile devices, tablets, Chrome behavior in the desktop browser itself. So here, instead of using a separate device to test, this we can use it for do quick testing. So this doesn't overrides our test with the browser in the devices. So this, say like if you have 100 different combinations of data we want to test, we can choose few in the actual device, rest in the here in the emulated device, so that we don't have to rely on the device availability. So for this session we are not going into the difference or pros and cons between the two ways of working, but this session is just to show how we can use the Selenium code to launch the browser in the mobile emulated form, that similar to the what you are seeing in the left hand side. Okay, so there are two ways to do that. One is in the browser itself you have the list of devices, right? So you can provide the device details in the Selenium, or you can specify the width and height details. So there are two ways to do that. We will try one by one. Okay, first we will import the WebDriver. Then we have to import the we need to import the options, Chrome options, to mention the device setup like width and height. All these things we have to mention using these options. Okay, then we have to say mobile emulation. So this name can be anything. The value we need to provide it correctly. So first we will see device name. Okay, we will pass the device name. So device name you can get it from here. So Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. You can select any other items also. For this demo I'm going to use Samsung Galaxy S8. So I will specify that in this dictionary. Samsung Galaxy S8 Okay, now we have mentioned what device we need to use, device settings we need to use. So next thing is we have to mention this one, options. Okay, options is equal to options, add experimental option, and you have to say mobile emulation, and then this dictionary reference. Next we have to create the driver.chrome, options equal to options. Next we will try to open some URL. google.com. Okay, and then we will take a screenshot to see whether it is the view is similar to the browser or not. Sorry, similar to the browser in mobile device or not. Okay, so I will say emulated browser.png. Okay, so next we will use driver.quit. Done. So I will just put a breakpoint here, and then we will run and see how this code launches the browser. Debug. So a new browser window launched. Okay, so in the left hand side you can see the usage is restricted to some specific area. Only in the specific area the content is displayed, not in the entire browser, right? So if you see the same thing here in the manually launched Chrome, okay, you can see that similar window size here it is getting displayed. So this way you can launch the browser in the emulated view, and then you can perform your operations.